You ever wonder the reason why so much of motorcycle is getting into such serious accidents these days? And why majority of them either breaking body parts or dying? This is because of two main reasons. One, speed, and two, they're using the road, which I refer to the road, as if they're riding a bicycle in the backyard. Up to this morning, I saw one of them. A big man. This ain't a little boy a big man no more. It's everybody. Full throttle. And where he is, going around a turn on a double line that is a blind spot. Now what would have happened if a vehicle was coming in front of him? Tell me.
Let me speak on this and speak on this as quickly as I could, right? You youths, the young one them, who's riding about on motorcycle, right? And doing a whole heap of fuckery on the roadway, right? Sorry for using such language, but I have to say it, right? Y'all giving away your life too easily. Brother, take your time on the road. Learn the rules of the road, right? And stop killing yourself and killing other people. Listen to me. If y'all want kill yourself, right? Do it in the expense of y'all own self. Go see some coffin, pay down on it. Go at Lapantier, pay for y'all place where y'all want bury. Get money so that y'all loved ones would not be in the expense, and y'all go somewhere where there's no other vehicle on the road or nothing, and y'all kill yourself. Don't put people in expense because of y'all negligent.
When a man find out the girl cheating, he deserve shit. So you had sex with it, you give him a panani. When a woman find out she man cheating, she just ask him, so do you love her? You know what's the reason? You know what's the reason? If you know what's the reason, you know what's the reason. If you know what's the reason, I can explain to you what is the reason. Why they got two different ways in asking. Now, a woman and ask a man if he love the woman we sleep with. Because we as men, we could sex 1,000 women out here and don't have no feeling. It's just a sport. It's just for ease, we say, just for feel nice. Just for boast and say, hey, how much bored I lash, the one, this one. Yeah, you take me. So this why women is asking, man, you love shit? Because if the man see love shit where she don't know, she get kicked out. Man have no dealings no more with she. That's why I could tell some of y'all women, right? Yeah, a man without you cheating and lashing up a set of board, I still love you. You take me treat you right and thing. But you just know them. Them is the type of person who keep the cheating on the low. You see, any man was moved brother cheating with balls out here, brother, and everybody say could come back to you. You don't care about you. He really doing enough for you. Here say could roll and go line away. Just stressing your ass out. But you see, any man with cheating and be very conservative about it and quiet, man really love you. He want nothing come between knowing that, hey, that he's cheat on you, so you're gonna run away. But he still want to enjoy himself and do thing little sport. Cause sometimes you might then nagging and triggering the man, and he still love you, but you want to let go. But you go then ease up yourself and enjoy yourself. Cause you know might think want you the man some boom flip some bats take, and then you always don't want the man, he can't get sex you when you're tired, and days how enough fires get blow. Yeah, it take me some of your eyes are like tired, cause little jackass there in your inbox and you're feeling a little nice like you're young again. You know when last people hustle you and tell you some nice word. Cause sometimes your husband will tell you them nice word. You think so you get the nice word now, you feel young again, you start give your husband lashing, get jackass outside lashing. Now this ways come to when the man asks the woman, so you give you lashing. Cause once a man know a woman open your foot and give a man the part of the cake for you push it on the side of she love you. Like take me, he don't know that the feelings gonna start going to the new man, and he get part, he start get a full stupid attitude. You take me, a man now when a man hold a woman as a personal body, it's like a dog with the territory. You ever see some dogs, so one dog can come and piss or come round the house and them things, let's go and pray from us. And even though if you bust the gate and lose them, then go out and run in other people's yard and do what they want to do, next day come back. This old man is what. You understand me? So when a man asks a woman, hey, you get a man me for the gate? Yeah, right away, yeah, drop. Like to you because you don't know what. She got love the man for give this pump pump. She got really like the man for give this pump pump and the man breathing in she face. So there's the two, ways, you just ask.